Hi everybody, this is Ayman Khushoua again. I will describe to you now the second example with a simple calculator program or application. This is the view of the calculator screen, two modes, scientific and normal, and the normal buttons of the calculator. To start the project, click new project and change the name to calculator. Be sure that the Visual Basic is running on and Windows Form application. Click the empty form to modify the property. You will increase the properties and control from form 1. Be sure that form 1 appearing here. Change the size, width and height 400 and 600 like this. This adjusts size of form 1. Change the text of the form to be calculator like this. Add text box and make the back color yellow and the text equal 0. Add group box with two radio button, mode, scientific and normal. Put 23 button as shown, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0, and cancel button, equal button, plus, minus, multiply and divide by, sine x, cosine x, tan x, x power of 2, x power of 3, x power of a, and the root. Double click on the empty form 1 area to transfer to mode screen. All the program code were written here in these parts. In the form load, result text equal 0, putting 0 on the text box. The width in the start 14, form 1, and the height is 14 also. Radio check button equal true. This is the normal mode. The normal mode is on. Now we're thinking with mind how is the application is work, what is the user do to calculate, how is the actual calculator work. You click button, here appear 4, 3 plus 1, it is equal 44. The suggest code of the program like this. I will attach the code to this lecture and will describe it in details. The code of the program will be attached with this lecture, as I say. Thank you, and don't forget, if you have any question, contact khushoua@gmail.com or call me on my number. Thank you.